What's up guys, it's your boy Balarkay, welcome back to another mad review. Today we got a pair of Yeezy 350 Zebras. Big shout out to snkick.com for actually sending me this pair to review. They actually sent them to me a long time ago, I've only just got around to doing it now. So big shout out to you guys for sending me this pair. And also big shout out to Logo Social for the clothing. If you want to go cop some sick merch, look like Balarkay, I got the beanie, I got the shirt. Your boy's repping it. Head down to logosocialclothing.com or just go follow them on their Instagram, which is Logo Social. I'll leave the link in the description. And of course, I'll leave the link to snkick.com for sending me out this pair. If you do want to go follow these people on Instagram, it's sneakershop998. It came in a box and then bubble wrap, so the box is actually, well, the box looks like it's pretty mint, to be honest. Alright, so here's the box. There is literally no damage. Okay, so I ordered these actually quite some time ago, and they've just been chilling here. But it looks like I've got them in a size 9, so I might have wanted to do a. These do cost 145 US dollars and like 206 Australian dollars, which is pretty decent for a UA pair. If you guys do want to get a discount on these, just use the discount code BALA and you guys will get, I think it's 15% or 15 bucks, I can't really remember. I'll have it in the description anyways. So we got the Zebras. Woo! These are size 9 by the way. These are size 9. As you can see on the box there, the box is actually in like perfect condition. It's actually like not even any damage on it at all. And it says here, they came out the retail $220. What's this? Are these the, what is this? First of all, it comes with this random bag. I think this might be the heat proof bag. So you put the shoe in the bag and then you use like a heat gun and then it like wraps around the shoe. I'm gonna try that at the end of the video. I'm gonna see if that works. But anyways, here's the shoe. These are actually pretty decent. Obviously, it comes with the wrap on the inside. Alright, so I'm going to leave that over there because I'm definitely going to give that a go. It didn't come with any StockX cards or anything, but oh well, that's just more shit to chuck in the wardrobe. Comes with the inside part here. Doesn't smell like glue at all, although it has been sitting in my wardrobe for quite some time, so I don't think it smells like glue anyways. Really cuffs up a lot. I'd go get my genuine pairs, but they're absolutely trash, and they're actually kind of disgusting. The boost on the bottom feels like mad soft, so like I'm sure these are going to be like comfortable. These genuinely feel like a genuine pair. Like I've got quite a few authentic Yeezys, and this generally just feels like a authentic Yeezy. I've done some pretty whack Yeezy reviews before. These are like really on point. And they're like super soft at the back, so you got like that comfort at the back too. Normally you can see on the back of them that they're never like the same height or the same thickness, but these ones are actually pretty decent. I know a lot of fake pairs like come up like fucking huge, or they just don't come up at all. The insole, they've definitely put like the detail into it, but they are like super thin. They're normally a lot thicker than that. But I mean, like the boost feels like super soft, so I'm sure it wouldn't matter too much, but these are normally a lot thicker than that. And it really like comes up there at the back. You can see that they've imprinted Adidas on the back. They got Adidas Yeezy here, and they even got the number there. All the little details are in there. Chuck it back in. Get back in there, boy. What the fuck? Also, it wasn't glued down either, and this shoe does not smell like glue one bit, because a lot of like UA pairs or replicas or whatever, a lot of them smell like glue, and this one does not smell at all. This one just smells like a genuine pair. The stitching is actually like done really well on this pair too. Like, it's stretchy and it's super soft, especially at the back here where they got all the padding. It's like super soft. I feel like that'd be like heaps comfortable. Even the main stitch that goes up here, a lot of fake pairs and replica pairs do it so it's like super hard, but this one's still soft, but that's like the main stitch there. I want to try this thing. I'm pretty sure these go in here. I'll do it with this one. and then you heat them up. I wonder if there's like a hairdryer or anything here. This is the only company that's actually sent me one of these. Okay, so I couldn't find a hairdryer. Alright, let's see. Probably just gotta end up ruining the shoe, to be honest. I'm trying not to get it like too close, because otherwise it'll just burn straight through the plastic.
15 minutes later.
That definitely did not work the way I wanted it to. Comes with the authentic tags here. Normally comes on every genuine pair that you get. The little strap at the back is like almost a perfect height. I think maybe they could have pulled it down just a little tiny bit, but that's like pretty perfect too. It's like nice and strong too. If you want to go follow them on Instagram, it's sneakershop998. I'll leave the link in the description as well as the website. These are $145 US. So, and these are actually like legit perfect. I've done some pretty shitty Yeezy reviews because I feel like Yeezys are like really hard to do a replica pair on. So if you guys do want to go cop these, for Yeezys, I definitely recommend this company. I haven't seen their Jordans or whatever, but for Yeezys, 100% go cop them on this website. And if you guys do want to go cop this shirt or cop this beanie, just head down to Logo Social on Instagram or logosocialclothing.com and cop yourself some fresh merch. And yeah, it's been your boy Balarkay. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.